Hi, welcome to our first lesson on Python. My approach is quite simple. I'm going to assume that you don't know much about programming and Python. Hence, I'm going to explain Python from scratch. To make sure that you have a deeper understanding of this powerful, user-friendly, and extremely versatile programming language. Before we dive deep into Python, let's briefly understand what programming is. Programming is the process of creating a set of instructions that tell a computer how to perform a task. It's like creating a step-by-step recipe for a computer to follow. Computers, despite being incredibly powerful, only do exactly what they have been told to do. They need a clear, quite precise, step-by-step instructions, which is what programming provides. So now that we understand what programming is at a high level, let's address the question, why Python? You see, Python is a high-level interpreted programming language. And when we say a programming language is high level, it means that the language is more readable or human readable. It's constructed in a way that is closer to our human language, like English, as compared to binary, the 0 and 1s that machines understand. Let's illustrate this with a simple example. If I want to display or print Hello World on a computer screen using Python programming language, the code will be as simple as this. Print, then you have Hello World surrounded by parentheses. This Hello World will be in quotes. See how it almost reads like English. This readability makes Python much easier to pick up for beginners. Today, Python is used across a broad spectrum of areas such as web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. So learning Python is a great investment of your time. Alright, that's it. See you in the next lesson. Until then, keep learning.